We're exploring Coron via private boat tour, spending just 10,500 pesos or $181. Is it toddler friendly? Welcome to khristinetravels. Hi, I'm Chris and I'm excited to share our travel vlog adventures in Coron Palawan. After scoring a cheapest round-trip flight ticket for just 923 per person, we're now here at the port ready to kick off our island hopping journey. We managed to snag an amazing deal on a private boat tour for just 10,500 pesos, which is good for 4 persons. This package includes everything we need, like boat rental, lunch, guide fees, basically all inclusive. So if you ask, why choose a private boat tour? Well, let me tell you. Number one, private boat was set up first before the joiner's boat. Second, you can enjoy undivided attention from your guide and the crew. Third, skip the touristy spots if you want and explore more secluded areas. Stay tuned as we dive into this breathtaking adventure through some of Palawan's most stunning landscapes. Our first stop, Kayangan Lake.
May tindahan naman pala eh. Last lang sila nga.
Mura lang.
Mura lang. Mamaya po pabalik. Eh, nakalagay exit. Ah, yun ang entrance. Good morning po.
So here's the start of the stairs to Kayangan Lake.
Ay, ang taas pala nito. Kayangan Lake. Oh my gosh. Taas. Parang tapis pala to. 700 plus steps.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Night ka mo pa. Tapos kamuron. Yun po ay aming local dialect sa
Ano
bayan.
pong ano yun?
Kuyunon.
Kuyunon?
Apo ang tawag. Majority dito sa inter-island ng Palawan, yun yung ginagamit na dialect. Umaga or...
Ito po, ito lang tayo.
Stop muna sir, stop muna. Huwag na kayo maging pipilitin kapag kaano. Kayo naman magpahinga. Libre po yan. Walang bayad. Pina-challenge niyo ako eh. Nakahawak na nga ako sa railings. Oh.
Parang may cave pala siya.
May cave din tayo. Dito naman ang cave na to, wala namang
We're here
labisan
at the
ha.
popular breathtaking view of Kayangan Lake and the picture-taking spot. Finally, after the up and down stairs, we're now here at Kayangan Lake. Look, the amazing Kayangan Lake. At less tourists because we're the ones set up first here. It's very clear water. Look.
Where's the fish, Kai? Where's the fish? Can you see the fish? Where's the fish? Whoa, there's a fish. Oh, there's a Barracuda lake. Sa dami na boat. Yan. We have to use the kayak. Wow, ganda nga yung mga rock na there's the entrance of Barracuda.
We finally reached the entrance. And stairs again. Look. Oh my gosh. So if you have a toddler, you have to carry them. This is very steep and kinda slippery, so be careful. It's narrow too, so it's hard if two-way. So we're almost there to see the beautiful Barracuda Lake, and we plan to free dive here. I took a free dive lesson to explore the underwater of beautiful Coron. So here is the one way of the guides teaching the tourists to take their photo underwater. But I suggest to learn free dive to have wonderful experience and for your safety. Third stop at Atwayan Beach for our lunch. And now we're back to our boat for our fourth stop.
That's Sanskrit.
Oh my God. Wala na, lutukan na.
We're now here at Coral Reef Garden.
Where's the ball? Hold the ball. Lagoon. Pwede po.
Hi guys. Ang dami na kasi kinain. Hello. How are you guys?
Okay pa rin naman. Huminga ka pa.
Our fifth stop, Shipwreck. So if you know how to free dive, you can see the beauty of the marine life closer, unlike if not, you will just look it from afar. And for a sixth stop, Twin Lagoon. Kai wasn't sleeping, so we're here at the kayak to explore the Twin Lagoon. Look what I found! It's a jellyfish! Look, it's so cute. The tourist guide says it's not dangerous, so it's just fine. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this family travel vlog adventure, subscribe now for more travel videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our next family travel vlog.